Where to get loan with bad credit? Best loan for bad credit. You have option when it comes to qualify your personal loan with bad credit. Although there are several types of loan for those with bad credit, the most popular type in an unsecured personal loan. This type of bad credit loan is good option for individual with credit scores of 669 or less who need quick funding to recover unexpected costs. When considering a loan for bad credit, some of the most important factors are amount you can borrow, how quickly the funds will be rapid, how much you will pay the interest, and how soon you can get funding. Not only do the best providers of bad credit loans offer transparent pricing and term, but they can also get you to fund it in as soon 1 or 2 business days. Best loans for bad credit of March 2022. Upgrade Event, First Teach Federal Credit Union, Leading Point Payoff, Leading Club, PenFed, Upstart, and also discuss about Upgrade. Why we close it? With Upgrade, you can borrow as much as $50,000 with the credit score as low as 550, and you might be able to get rate of low as 5.94% if you are approved jointly with a co-applicant. Many personal loan lenders don't allow you to qualify with someone else, making Upgrade stand out from the competition. Pros and cons. Pros: co-application are allowed minimum credit score requirements of low. Allowable prepayment terms are long. Cons: has organization fee loans are not afforded in West Virginia and District of Columbia. Lowest APRs require excellent credit, autopay, and credit payments on the existing debit. Overview: with Upgrade, eligible borrower with the credit score of at least 550 can borrow $1,000 to $50,000 with repayment term of 24 to 84 months. Upgrade allow you can check your rates without undergoing a hard credit check. Plus, you could benefit from lower rates if you get approved with a well qualified co-applicant. Upgrade APRs can be as low 5.94% to 35.97%, including organization fees of 2.9% to 8%. To qualify for lowest rates, you and your co-applicant need to have excellent credit. You would proceed to directly repay existing debit and enroll in autopay. Once approved, Upgrade can get you funded as soon as the next day. Plus, besides allowing you to apply with a co-applicant, it may offer you to secure loan option to get a better rate if you can't qualify without collecting. This is value added feature that not commonly offered by the other lenders we evaluated. Personal loans from Upgrade and offered in our US state expect. You also can get loan from Upgrade if you live in District of Columbia. Avant. Why we close it? Not only an Avant, an online lender specialization in small loans $2,000 to $35,000, but it might approve applicant with credit scores of low as 550. It also offer loan funding as quickly as 1 business day. Pros and cons. Next day funding is available. Refinancing options are afforded. Get pre-qualified. Does not hurt your credit. Cons. APR range is relatively high. Personal loans are only available in 42 states. Maximum loan amount is relatively small. Overview: amount is may approve borrowers with credit scores as low as 550 for loans to $1,000 and $350,000 with the repayment term of 28 to 60 months. It also offers funding as soon as the business day, which is fast relative to competition. While its APR range of 9.95% to 35.99% includes of an organization fee up to 4.75% is highly its loan are available or eligible borrowers with bad credit, something that may lenders don't offer. You can see if you'll qualify a personal loan for an amount without impacting your credit score. The company only pulls a hard credit check if you decided to proceed with the loan. Besides having an acceptable level credit worthiness to qualify, you will need you will need to proceed the loan. Besides having the acceptable uh, level of credit worthiness to qualify credit if you just decide with a loan. Besides having an acceptable level of creditworthiness qualify, you will need to live in one of the 42 states in which amount does not business to get approved. Plus, if you want to refinance your loan to get lower rate of take out of more money in future, amount offers this as an option. First Teach Federal Credit Union. Why we close it? No one in the membership to First Teach Federal Credit Union available in all 50 states, but it also offers same day funding, something most of the competition does not offer. Pros and cons. Pros: same day funding is available, small minimum loan amounts, no obligation fees. Credit union memberships is required. Credit scores requirements are not disclosed. Minimum APR is higher than some credit unions. Overview: unlike most of the personal loan, you will need to be the First Teach Federal Credit Union member. As a member, you may be able to get a loan of $500 to $50,000 with the repayment of 24 to 84 months and a rate of low as 5.7% to 18%, no obligation fees. First Teach membership is open to people in all 50 states who are associated with specific employees. Microsoft, Google for other Teach companies are related to current credit union members, belong to the Financial Fitness Association, available to anyone at an annual cost of $8 or meet to certain other criteria. First Teach does not disclose its minimum credit score requirement, but you don't have to perfect credit to qualify for personal loan. Instead, it will look at your overall credit worthiness, your credit score, credit history, and income when deciding if you qualify. Leading Point Merchant Solution. Why we close it? Leading Point is an online only lender that uses AI and data driven decision making to approve its loan, meaning it might approve application for personal loans even if they have credit score as low as 580. The minimum credit score range is favorable versus the competition. Pros and cons. Pros: funding speed is fast, soft credit check used for pre-qualification, maximum minimum credit score requirements as low. Cons: maximum loan amount is relatively low, organization fees charged, APRs are relatively high. As an online only lender, Leading Point relies on data artificial intelligence to make loan decisions. For this reason, it might approve applicant with the credit score as low as 580 score. So requirement compared to the much competition. Plus, you can see the qualified for your personal loan without having your credit.